All right. Good afternoon, everyone. We have um we have a Lexus car here, a Lexus ES 350 2008 model. The customer complained a little change in his fuel consumption, so we had to check and find out that the bank two sensor one oxygen sensor is bad, but the bank two sensor and bank one sensor two sensor is not actually bad, but the sensor had a little jam, maybe while driving, so it pulled off the wire and the socket. So we had to lose it, and this way we met it. Sensors are already wire already cut off, so we need to get another replacement with this. Where's the new sensor? Yeah, we have to get another replacement with this, and also get a socket too that we use to connect it. And this process requires a patient and concentration because we need to follow it up one after the other. Since the wire is not the same with the new one we bought, so we have to use our diagram to know exactly how the wire needs to be addressed so that we don't have any issue with the ECU. This is we need to connect it, so we need to bring down this stuff so we can get the wires and start the connection. So we want to we just got the wire now, correct? We got the wire correct. This is the diagram, and we've seen where the wire is. Now so this is the first wire and this is the second wire, so we've corresponded it already. The wires are the color code are corresponded, they are the same, so we want to join them and see the outcome according to the bank. This is bank 1 sensor 2, this is bank 2 sensor 2, and this is the diagram here we are going to use to connect it. Diagram for 2008 Lexus ES 350 3.5 liter engine. So let's start. Let's start from 1. Now this is bank 1 sensor 2, which is this is sensor. We've tied the sensor, so we are working on the wire. So terminal 1 is light green, this is light so terminal 2 is what? Which is plus, which is ignition, plus 12 volts, red, and this is red, abi?
Yes, sir.
So we are going to join the red to this wire. We are counting from left, 1 2, so we are getting red. Terminal 3 is what? White, which is WHT, abi?
Yes.
So we are joining it to this black here, which is terminal 3, abi?
Yes,
White
sir.
is where? Look at white. White is so we've joined we are on terminal 3, abi? Which is white.
Yes, sir.
Oxygen sensor, which is the signal that's coming from the brain box. Look at it, white. It's coming from the brain box. Yeah, and it's white. Look at it. Oxygen sensor white. Terminal 87 from the brain box. Oxygen sensor OX1. I get it. That is bank 1. So let's proceed. Terminal 3, white. This is the white. I see it. So we're joining to this terminal 3. We had the scattered wire here already, so we want to address it so that the fuel consumption will be limited as normal, to consume fuel as normal, because the car has catalyst conversion, so it's not supposed to be consuming fuel like the way it's consuming. So terminal 4 is what? We have brown, which is brown, so we join it brown. Terminal 4 brown. I think we are done with this part, right?
Yes, sir.
So we are going to bank 2 sensor what? 2. Bank 2 sensor what? So let's check the wire. Bank 2 sensor 2, we have Bank 2 sensor 2, we have put it like this. Well, terminal 1 yellow. So let's get the socket. Where's the socket? Socket. Second sensor. This socket. So let's start. Terminal 1 here. This is terminal 1. And we have terminal 1 here. We're counting from left. Socket facing you like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So terminal 1 here is terminal 1 here should be on. Terminal 1 here should be I'm not seeing no on light. Here is very dark. Okay, I've seen it. Yeah, I'm right. We are counting from here. 1, 2. So terminal 1 here is yellow. We are joining the yellow. Yellow wire. I'm correct. You know, I told you before now that we were counting from left. Socket facing you, right? Yes. So socket facing you this way. You count from left. Eh? So right and left is the same. So you count that why their socket direction is the same too. So you count from left. This is 1. This is 2. So I wanted to confirm from the connector, and the connector is giving us terminal 1 here. 1, 2. 2 is 2 there is what? Light white and what?
White and black.
White and blue, not brown. That's blue. BLU is blue. So blue. Now we'll go to terminal 3. Terminal 3. Terminal 4 is what? White and what? Black. Eh?
Yes.
White and black. This is terminal 4 now.
Yes,
white and black. So this is terminal 4. So the power line is what? Who can tell me the power line? It's written there. The power line on this sensor is what? Blue, white and blue, which is plus. It's written that B, that's the code. Plus B, which is battery. White and blue, which is giving us 12 volts. Then that E is what? Earth. That is coming from the what? Sensor. Then that OX is what? The signal from the brain box that's coming to the oxygen sensor. Why this HT is the heater line that's coming from the sensor to the brain box, that's giving feedback to the brain box to adjust the fuel consumption. You understand? To give the signal of the combustion, the emission that's coming from the engine. So we are done just to tape it, and we're still going to cross check. This is bank 1 sensor 2, and this is bank 1 heated oxygen sensor, bank 1 sensor 2. Terminal 1 is light green. That LT is light green. So we have light green here. Yes, sir. Are you getting it right? Yes. So we have light green here, which is terminal 1 from this socket. This is terminal 1. Are you seeing the one? Yes, sir. Terminal 1. Then terminal 2 is what? I remember that I told you you'll be counting from left. Socket facing you. You count from what? Yes. Socket facing you this way. You count from what? Left. Terminal 2 is what? Terminal 2 here is what? Red, which is this. We've connected the red to the right. Terminal 3 is what? White. We connected the white. That's the power line, the oxygen line, the signal line. Terminal 4 is what? Brown. This is brown. That is done for bank 2, bank 1 sensor what? 2. Then let's go to bank 2 sensor 2. We are still following the same process. Now terminal 1 is what? Yellow. Yellow. So we have yellow here. Remember I told you we're counting from left. So socket facing you, 1. Socket facing you, 1. Yellow. 2 is what? White and blue. Okay, 1, 2. 3 is what? Black, right? 4 is what? White and what? Black. So we are correct. So let's check the. Since this wire was scattered and breached, I think the power line must have cut off because it must have touched the chassis. I don't know. But let's just check if there's power. So you go inside and on ignition for me. So let me check if there's power. Pause the video for now. This is the one that was there. We had to chisel it because it was very difficult to lose. And this is the one we just got. Want to fix. We have everything we use here. We have everything. This is from Primola. We have it. We sell it. See everything we use. So it make it easier and convenient for us to easily troubleshoot and fix any car that is brought to us because we don't have to start running around for spare parts. So let's quickly do a test on this one. Let's read the 0.3, the ohms. I think it's good. This one is not even at all. So the computer was actually complaining about it. Oh, this one. Victor, is it going? Okay. You can pause the video. Give me the spanner down there. Let's work on the last code that we saw. It's complaining about give me the tab. It was complaining about the. Let's go back to our code. I think this 2 area. We had a code of bank 1 sensor 2, bank 2 sensor 1, which is this we just resolved, suction sensor. Then two bank 2 sensor 2. So we are going down now to camshaft position sensor B, bank 2, which is bank 2. This is bank 2. Then B. Remember that we have A and B. A for inside, B. So now it's complaining about B, which is B, which is this one. So I think the socket is not well plugged. That's why it's complaining, or the wire is not properly addressed where. So let's just go through they have changed the socket before. Let's just quickly go through the wire. Let's check because the wire is not the same color here. Let's quickly go through the wire. So you just have to lose the wire. You see, so this was the previous connection that they did, and I want to just cross check why the code is coming up on this sensor that is not working. So let's just go through the diagram and see. Remember what I told you? You face the socket towards you and count from what? So we are counting from left. One, this place is what? 1, and the wire here is what? Not here. We are not counting. They have changed the socket, so you are not going to count from the socket because it's not corresponding. You check, count from the original wire that came with the car, which is this. We have green and red. Is it red? Yes. Okay, we have green and red. This is exhaust side. This is the exhaust side. Abi? Yes, sir. So bank 2 exhaust side. So 2, this one is correct. Then 2 is what?
2
is blue. Blue is correct. We have blue here. We have blue. 3 is what? Light green, right? We have. So I think either. So the wiring is literally correct. The socket is correct. I think the socket is having partial contact. So I want to see if I can, because it's already kicked. Let me see if I can rejoin the wire so that we'll get the proper connection. Now. Now. We don't have power on the line, on our sensor line. So let's check what is feeding 08. Let's check what is feeding this sensor. This the bank 2, sensor 2, bank 1, sensor 2. The power line is 2 here. This one is what? 2, 2. They are connected together. Are you seeing where they join? So let's check. They give this one too. So let's check. So we need to trace the red wire, right? So let's know what is giving it power. 5. Let's go to the next page. 5, Abby. This is how you trace it. Take light off. 5. Go. And trace it down to this place. Air max. It's also giving Air max same ignition. So let's continue. So it's ignition is coming from the airflow too. So let's see how it goes. So they shine the same ignition. You understand what I'm doing here?
Yes.
Sensor 2, 2, and 1, 2 are sharing the same ignition. Terminal 2 blue is attached to this, right? Are you seeing the junction?
Yes.
Are you seeing the junction?
Yes.
So it's attached to this one too, which is the VSV. This small sensor. So this one that bridge them together, so they are attached together. Let's be fast. Okay, this is the attachment. You see where they connected together here, from the sensor to the VFV sensor. So we are going to trace this white and blue to the fuse box, terminal 5, Abi.
Yes.
So start again. Trace down to 5 again. Go to the next page. 5 again. Trace it down to 7, right?
Yes.
Are you understanding?
Yes.
7 here, right?
Yes.
So trace it down to this fuse, attached to this fuse, EFI 3, fuse 10.
Yes.
3, fuse 10. So this is fuse box cover. On your light. Give it a distance. Okay. We have our, take the tab out. We have our fuse. I can't see. Take the light off. So this EFI. We have our EFI 3. Is it EFI 3 or 2?
EFI.
So this